Hi everyone. Today I'll walk you through on how to clear cookies on Google Chrome. Open up your Chrome browser in your PC. Click on the three dots at the top right hand corner of the screen. Select settings. You can either select the settings option or you click on delete browsing data. It will open up this dialog box. So you click on cookies and other sites data and you uncheck all other options. Once you've clicked on it, you can set the time range to whatever time cookies you want to clear. Now you click on delete data and your cookies would be deleted from your Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.